Mom and Dad can visit town.
Alert, ready? You getting a full face? You're letting her get a full face?
Yeah, I'm gonna take her that stuff and I want her to do just like with the eyes. Shows the eyes.
Hang on there. We're not done yet, my friend.
She loves glitter.
What girl does?
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
come on, really, right?
Here's the main influence right here, Aunt Katie.
Yes, when we do projects, I'm like, you want me to get the glitter out?
Even if we're not doing anything with glitter, she still wants it.
What's the point otherwise, really?
Didn't we use glitter on Easter eggs?
Yeah. Yeah. Making Easter eggs this Easter, we put glitter on them just for the fun of it.
Are you ready?
Ready to see what it looks like, Boo? Okay, don't move yet. Wait till she's ready, okay?
It's like a hot mess right now, doesn't it? Woo! You there, huh?
Oh, this is still your daddy's gonna take a picture of it.
Oh, that looks pretty, huh?
That is one.
Awesome.
What do you say?
That kicks Daddy's tattoos butt. Because he doesn't have the glitter, does he? Your tattoos.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good girl.